Welcome to Flip the Coin. In this video, we will be discussing Fintech in Africa. Financial technology, commonly referred to as Fintech, is rapidly transforming the way people manage their finances, particularly in Africa. Fintech is a term that refers to the use of technology to improve financial services. Today, we'll take a closer look at how Fintech is impacting the financial landscape in Africa, as well as the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead. The state of Fintech in Africa. Fintech has emerged as a key driver of financial inclusion in Africa, where millions of people lack access to traditional banking services. With the help of Fintech, people can now access financial services through their mobile phones, which has enabled them to save money, make payments, and access credit. Mobile money platforms like M-Pesa, which was launched in Kenya, have transformed the financial landscape in Africa. According to a report by GSMA, there were over 469 million registered mobile money accounts in Africa as of 2020. Opportunities for Fintech in Africa. There are still many opportunities for Fintech to grow and improve financial services in Africa. For example, many Africans still lack access to credit, and traditional banks are often reluctant to lend to small and medium-sized businesses. Fintech companies have been able to bridge this gap by providing alternative lending options, such as peer-to-peer lending platforms and digital lending solutions. In addition, there is a growing demand for digital insurance services, particularly among young people. Furthermore, Fintech in Africa is not limited to just financial inclusion. It is also creating job opportunities and contributing to economic growth. The rise of Fintech has led to an increase in entrepreneurship in the tech industry, leading to the creation of new jobs. In addition, Fintech companies are contributing to economic growth by providing access to credit for small and medium-sized businesses, which can lead to job creation and increased productivity. Challenges facing Fintech in Africa. While Fintech has the potential to revolutionize the financial landscape in Africa, there are also challenges that need to be addressed. One of the biggest challenges is the lack of regulatory frameworks that support Fintech innovation. This has led to a situation where Fintech companies are often operating in a legal gray area, which makes it difficult for them to attract investment and scale their operations. In addition, many Africans still lack access to reliable internet connections and smartphones, which limits the reach of Fintech services. Another challenge is the issue of trust. Many Africans are skeptical about using Fintech services due to concerns about security and fraud. Fintech companies need to invest in building trust with their customers by implementing robust security measures and educating them about the benefits of using their services. Case studies of Fintech in Africa. To better understand the impact of Fintech in Africa, let's take a look at some case studies. In Kenya, M-Pesa has transformed the way people access financial services. Through M-Pesa, people can send and receive money, pay bills, and even access loans. In Nigeria, Paystack is a Fintech company that provides payment processing solutions for businesses. Paystack has been instrumental in making it easier for businesses to accept online payments, which has led to an increase in e-commerce in Nigeria. Despite the challenges, Fintech is transforming the financial landscape in Africa, and there is a lot of potential for further growth and development. As more people gain access to mobile phones and the internet, Fintech services are likely to become even more widespread. Governments and regulatory bodies in Africa should work towards creating